Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David. I thought I'd spend some time showing you how we set up our campsite when we're out and around, even for just a short weekend. So for us weekend warriors, what do we do? So I'm gonna give you a quick tour. And this is our storage compartment on the campsite, and it's pretty clean right now. I've kind of straightened it up a little bit, but we keep two of these tables in here. We have a fan on those hot summer days. We need that little extra breeze. I usually set up one table here, and we put our Royal Gourmet on it. And of course, being a beautiful day that it is, we've got the doors and windows open. That way we can let a lot of dust in. We store our chairs when they're not in use under this slide out. And we've got the pet gazebo, which the pups stay in on occasion. Right now we just have them staked out over there. These are Tina's chair and my chair over here. We are babysitting my daughter's puppy. His name is Oscar. He's 15 years old. So everybody say hi, Oscar. And of course you know these guys by now. There's Denver and then there's Annie. Okay, so where was I? Okay. Tina always puts out a tablecloth because sometimes these tables are not very clean. I've got some lighter fluid I use to start our fires with, and I keep a little diesel fuel as an emergency fill up, but that is great. Just pour a little bit on your wood, let it soak in on the wood and light it up. It won't explode, and it gets hot and gets a fire started fast. Of course, we've got our Insta Connect because I was working remote this week from here. And our firewood, we just store back here. And that is our camp setup. Let's check out the front. Okay, so we're at the front bay, and the site is not very level. So this is one of the few sites that I've really had to set the front end kind of high. So as you can see, the legs here are up pretty high. Let's check out the front bay. So stuff I keep in the front bay. All right, so I keep our utilities. So I keep just some miscellaneous stuff. Tina's got clothespins. We've got some clamps we can use if we need to hold something, clamp it down. I've got some electrical stuff, some wiring, cotter pins, and just, again, miscellaneous stuff, some wire. I think I've got the you turn them on tape in there. I keep some silicone in here because we need to hit a spot. I keep our lubricants and sprays in here. All right, got a ladder. Now, I bought this ladder. It's one of those telescoping ladders a few years ago. And honestly, I've never had to use it yet, along with this floor jack, but I've loaned it out to somebody that needed to use it. So we've got these leveling blocks. I keep the sewer line stand. I'm not sure what that's called, but basically the ramp that allows you to keep the sewer hose up off the ground, and all the fittings in this box. I keep an old-timey, this is kind of fun. This is my old shovel, army shovel that my dad gave me. And I have some just odd and end stuff here. This is our Hydrostar reservoir for the disc brakes. And so that's in the front bay. So we're working our way over to I call it the business side of the RV. So we got the water heater, the furnace. Got our dump valve, and we use this, what is it, Valterra? I think that's what the name of that is on here, so you don't get that surprise. So we have our Nautilus system, because right now we are dry camping. I keep a power drill. This is what I use to raise and lower the rear stabilizers. I also use this for the X chocks. Once you unchock them, you don't have to use this to try to crank them closed. That fitting fits the X chocks as well. All right, I have configured our satellite and our cable system. Now we don't have a satellite system yet, but here is our cable for the living room and for the bedroom. And I've got them going through here to this little booster, and then it's powered. Of course, where we are, there is no cable service. I also keep a box of our hoses, and again, there's some additional power adapters. We've got the 30 amp adapter in here, and I've even got a 110 adapter to the 50 amp connection for the RV. We have an extension for the 50 amp power cord. I keep my gloves right here, glasses, you know, with the extra splash. I do keep some extra actual gloves here, and some, I've got our Germex. And of course, nothing exciting on this end to see. So, all right. That is the outside tour of our Weekend Warrior camp setup. Thanks for watching.